Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Discord roles for NFT community membership, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Discord roles for your NFT community membership, start by creating your Discord server. Open Discord and select the server where you want to set up the roles. Click on your server's name at the top left corner to access the drop-down menu. Select Server Settings from the options available. In the Settings menu, go to the Roles tab on the left sidebar. Click the Create Role button to add a new role for your NFT community. Name the role according to your NFT project or community. Choose a color for the role to make it visually appealing and easily identifiable. Adjust the role permissions based on what community members can do. Common permissions include sending messages, managing messages, and connecting to voice channels. Once you're satisfied with the role settings, click the Save Changes button. Next, create different roles based on membership levels or traits, like holders, collectors, or supporters. For each role, repeat the process by clicking Create Role again. After creating roles, you need to assign them to community members. Go to the Members tab in the Server Settings. Locate the member you want to assign a role to, then click the plus icon next to their name. Select the appropriate role from the list that appears. Save your changes to confirm the role assignment. To automate the role assignment process, consider using a bot like Me6 or Dino. Follow the specific bot setup instructions to add it to your server. Once the bot is added, configure it to grant roles based on NFT ownership or other criteria. You might need to connect the bot to your NFT project's smart contract for automatic verification. Test the bot to ensure it properly assigns roles to members who meet the criteria. Communicate with your community about how roles work and their significance. Encourage members to engage by showcasing their status through their assigned roles. Finally, keep your roles and permissions updated as your community grows and evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.